We physicists have waited 100 years since 1916 for this photograph. The James Webb Space Telescope, currently the most powerful observatory ever created, has just transmitted an image back to Earth that has stunned the entire scientific community. This astonishing new image, captured by Webb's state-of-the-art instruments, reveals a celestial phenomenon unlike anything we have witnessed before, challenging our current understanding of the universe. As scientists scramble to decide its meaning, questions arise. Are we alone in the universe? What secrets does this image hold? And what does it mean for the future of humanity? Join us as we explore the mysteries behind this new image sent to Earth by the JWST, possibly the greatest scientific revelation of our time. The James Webb Telescope has been a source of excitement for scientists and astronomers since its launch. Despite being only in its third year of service, it has already observed various aspects of our vast universe, uncovering new phenomena. Since reaching its cosmic destination, its infrared observatory has offered breathtaking views of the cosmos. As the largest and most powerful space telescope ever built, researchers eagerly awaited the first scientific images captured by the telescope. However, its recent image has left the scientific community in shock and silence. This jaw-dropping discovery was made by the JWST after it turned its instruments towards the iconic pillars of creation, located approximately 7,000 light-years away in the constellation Serpens. What it uncovered in this mysterious location has since left scientists ostracized. The pillars of creation are part of the Eagle Nebula, large clouds of gas and dust initially photographed by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1995. However, the James Webb Telescope's new photograph revealed even more astonishing details. Stars previously unseen in the Hubble image sparkled in the new image, some having formed just a few 100,000 years ago. This discovery marked a significant scientific breakthrough. Yet as scientists marveled at these extraordinary findings, a thought crossed their minds. What if these structures were actually created by intelligent extraterrestrial beings? Could they be alien landmarks? The possibility of such a revelation sent shivers down their spines. But the JWST wasn't about to rest on its laurels just yet. In another captivating image, the James Webb Space Telescope turned its attention to Pandora's Cluster, a region of space with a fascinating history. Named after the mythological figure from Greek mythology, Pandora, known for her inquisitiveness, she is believed to have opened a container that released all the evils and hardships into the world. However, Webb's exploration of Pandora's cluster did not unleash any evils. Instead, it focused on a specific area of space using a theory proposed by Albert Einstein in 1915, resulting in a stunning image that astonished scientists. This new image of Pandora's cluster, previously known as Able 2744, revealed unseen details in the region. While the Hubble Space Telescope had only studied the central core of this space, the James Webb Telescope's infrared instruments exposed a wealth of hidden secrets waiting to be unraveled. The team of scientists working on the JWST soon realized that they were on an extraordinary observation mission. Using Webb's large telescopes, near-infrared spectrograph, and near-infrared camera, they conducted a series of meticulous observations as part of the ultra-deep NIRCam observations for the Epoch of Reionization program. To capture a comprehensive view of Pandora's cluster, the team applied the JWST in taking 4 snapshots of the area and skillfully stitched them together, resulting in a breathtaking panoramic image. This remarkable image showcased an astonishing 50,000 sources emitting infrared light, unveiling the true essence of Pandora's cluster, located approximately 3.5 billion light-years away. This panoramic image provided a deep and expansive perspective that could potentially revolutionize our understanding of galactic evolution. Embedded within this captivating image was a brilliant foreground star from our own Milky Way. The star exhibited unique diffraction spikes, a mesmerizing pattern created by the James Webb Telescope itself. Within this captivating scene, clusters of luminous white light shimmered, surrounded by an ethereal haze. These were the distant galaxies of Pandora's cluster, much farther away than the foreground star. While our highly advanced technology played a crucial role in capturing this stunning celestial sight, astronomers also relied on a natural phenomenon proposed by Albert Einstein in his groundbreaking 1915 work on general relativity. Albert Einstein's theory of gravity, known as general relativity, played a vital role in unraveling the mysteries of the observed cluster of clusters. But this was only just the beginning. Beyond the inspiring discovery, the James Webb Telescope encountered another perplexing phenomenon that almost immediately defied every scientific explanation scientists could think of. It discovered yet another intriguing image that clearly depicted a series of mysterious and concentric rings encircling a distant star. Since this image arrived on Earth, scientists from every corner of the world have been left puzzled. This enigmatic image was shared on Twitter by a citizen scientist named Judy Schmidt, swiftly igniting a flurry of comments and bewilderment within the online community. The featured star, known as WR140, stood surrounded by regular ripple-like circles that gradually dissipated into the cosmic abyss. However, what seized the most attention in the image was the fact that the circles did not exhibit perfect roundness. Instead, they were somewhat square-like, stirring theories and speculations about potential alien origins. Like Schmidt, scientists and astronomers all over the world soon found themselves contemplating the peculiar shape and regularity of the rings. Before long, another space expert, Mark M., who also happens to be an interdisciplinary scientist in the JWST Science Working Group and a science advisor to the European Space Agency, referred to the feature as bonkers in a Twitter thread. Further investigation revealed that the six-sided structure was an artifact resulting from optical diffraction caused by the bright star WR140. Additionally, a series of shells could be seen around this star via Webb's mirror imaging. These shells, which appeared as red, curvy, and boxy structures, took astronomers by surprise. Typically, young stars shine brightly in a vibrant blue hue. However, as stars age, they undergo changes and develop a red glow as they consume their fuel and cool down. The deep fields observed by Webb displayed reddish dots that were 50 times more massive than galaxies previously known. Surprisingly, these galaxies were estimated to be as massive as our own Milky Way when the universe was only 3% of its current age. Leah, one of the astronomers studying these findings, expressed her amazement at the discovery. In her opinion, these massive galaxies challenged existing theories about cosmology, as they formed rapidly after the Big Bang. But before completely rewriting the theories, astronomers needed to ensure that the red dots they observed were genuinely galaxies, and not something else entirely. Considering alternative explanations, Leah speculated that stars in the early universe might emit light in unusual ways due to the lack of heavy elements. Incorporating these factors into their models could revolutionize our understanding of star formation in the early universe. These possibilities have greatly excited astronomers, as they would provide new insights into how stars are born. The images were captured using Webb's near-infrared camera as part of the Cosmic Evolution Early Release Science program. Astronomers plan to focus the telescope's mirror on these galaxies again in the near future, but this time, it will be to obtain light spectra. The experts at NASA believe that the spectra would help reveal the light source's chemical composition and physical properties. It's also expected that the spectra would play a crucial role in determining the precise distances to objects in space, which in turn will provide essential information about their identities. But here's what's even more fascinating. Just over 6 months after the release of the initial observations from the Webb telescope, scientists found themselves compelled to revise their theories about the early universe. As it turned out, the JWST was actually on the cusp of another remarkable discovery. Peering further into the image, scientists found what appeared to be a swirling wormhole within a mesmerizing phantom galaxy. This fresh image showcased the enigmatic glow of the phantom galaxy, also known as NGC 628 or Messier 74. Renowned astronomer Judy Schmidt meticulously crafted this eerie image using Webb's mid-infrared instrument. Stationed almost 1,000,000 miles away from Earth, the magnified image brings attention to the intricate dust lanes within the galaxy, which have earned it the nickname the perfect spiral, due to its exceptional symmetry. However, the true scientific intrigue lies in the presence of an intermediate mass black hole believed to be nestled at the heart of this celestial wonder. This galaxy has been the subject of professional imaging in the past, including by esteemed space observatories like the Hubble Space Telescope and the Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer. But Webb's imagery clearly stands out due to its unique focus on the mid-infrared range and how it effectively highlights the cosmic dust present within it. Astronomers at NASA have attributed the extensive detail in this image to Webb's unparalleled power, especially given its extraordinary 18-segment hexagonal mirror and strategic position in deep space. And while scientists were still working on unraveling the mysteries that might lay hidden within the phantom galaxy, the James Webb Space Telescope observed yet another extraordinary phenomenon. This time, deep field images were obtained during its initial observation campaign, where Webb uncovered enormous distant galaxies that defied our expectations. These galaxies, nearly as massive as our own Milky Way, were filled with mature red stars scattered across the cosmos. However, their immense distance rendered them visible to the telescope only as tiny reddish dots. By scrutinizing the light emitted by these galaxies, astronomers concluded that they were observing the universe in its infancy, a mere 500 to 700 million years after the Big Bang. The existence of such early galaxies is not surprising, especially as astronomers anticipated the formation of the first star clusters shortly after the universe emerged from its dark ages, a period characterized by a dense fog of hydrogen atoms. However, the size and age of the galaxies discovered in the Webb images have caused a stir among scientists. These findings contradict existing notions about the appearance and evolution of the early universe and defy previous observations made by the less potent Hubble Space Telescope.